Okay, so we are going to be comparing sides and angles of a triangle. So what we know about a triangle, let's say that this is 90 degrees, this is 60 degrees, and this is 30 degrees. We know that all three angles have to equal 180. That is a review. What we are learning now is the fact that the largest angle is opposite the longest side. Okay, so even though I don't have any measurements, I'm going to put this as D, E, and F. I know because out of my three angles, 90 is the largest. Then that means that DF would have to be the longest. So angle E is largest. Therefore, DF is the longest. I know that angle F is the smallest. Therefore, DE is the shortest. Okay? And it goes vice versa as well. If I know that DF is the longest, then I know that the angle opposite is the largest. So these work both ways. Remember, the three dots in a triangle means therefore. So if I have a diagram, we'll do this as example 1. It's 120, 50, and 10. Let's label this as G, H, and J. If I were asked to put the sides in order, from smallest to longest, I guess it'd be better off saying shortest to longest, because I'm putting the sides in order. So in order to put the sides in order, I got to look at the angles. Smallest to longest. Actually, this should be shortest. Shortest. Okay, so I'm looking for the smallest angle, which is 10. So the side opposite is going to be the shortest, which is HG or GH. A lot of times it's easier to look at the next, for the next one, look at the biggest. So H is the largest angle, so GJ is going to be the longest, and that only leaves the other side, which is 50, which is HJ. So this is what I would do if I was putting them in order from shortest to longest. In some cases, you may have to find the value first. See if I can come up with an example that won't be too ugly. Let's do 2x. 2x plus... I have no idea how this is going to come out, but that is a 2x plus 9. So I can't do anything with this yet until I find how much each angle is. So I would have to add all of these up. X plus 2 plus 2x plus 9 plus 2x plus 4. I know that all of those angles should equal 180 degrees. That's going to help me find my x. X plus 2x gives me 5x. 2 plus 9 is 11. Plus 4 gives me 15. Subtract 15 on both sides. 5x equals 165. divide both sides by 5, and I get x to equal 37. Okay, so we still have not answered the question yet. So that means I have to go back and plug it in. So if I put 37 in here, 37 plus 2 gives me 39. 2 times 37 gives me 74. Plus the 9 gives me 83. 37 times 2 gives me 74. Plus 4 gives me 78. I'm going to do a really quick check and make sure that all of those angles add up to 180. If they don't, I've screwed up. And I've screwed up. Let's see what I screwed up on. Oh, oopsie. This should have been 33. This is why you check it. So let's go back. 33 plus 2, this should be 35. 33 times 2 is 66. Plus 9 gives me 75. And 33 times 2 gives me 66. Plus 4 gives me 70. So now the 35 plus 75 plus 70 better add up to 180. There's 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. There we go. That's why you plug it back in and check. So now I still need to answer the question. Put the sides in order from shortest to longest. Shortest, this is 35. So this is going to be the shortest side. Let's go ahead and label this as K, L, M. Now this diagram's getting kind of messy right now. So K is 35, so that means LM is the shortest. 70 is the middle length, middle size, so 70 is angle L, so KM is the middle length. And then we have M is the largest one, so that means the side opposite would be KL. So those are the side lengths in order from smallest to largest.